So I'm currently in Australia visiting family, and although it's not the typical weather most would expect, I'm actually incredibly grateful to be here for one of the biggest storms to roll through in the last few years. Here's some footage I was able to capture from a few mornings and afternoons spent by the ocean's edge, witnessing these monstrous forces roll through and create fleeting moments of absolute humbling beauty. With the large swell comes strong winds, allowing for intermittent moments of light as the clouds are torn apart and dispersed. Light finds its way to the surface of the sea, and everything sparkles, it glitters in gold, and the waves become backlit as they reach up and breach the horizon. Using the long lens, I'm really interested in getting in tight and creating frames, revealing the textures and unusual shapes and patterns that can be found as waves collide, crash and form. I also wanted to try and incorporate some of the land and the crashing waves on the rocks and create an image that showcased some depth and just summed up the entire environment. The weather kept on changing, light would come and go, the swell would rise and fall, and it was easy to lose track of time.